Bang! Oh, nee! Yay! Bang! Somebody's here.
Somebody's here?
Yeah.
Somebody rang the doorbell.
What
Let's go see
the
who it is.
heck?
Let's go see who it is.
Bang!
Go.
Yeah!
What is it?
Oh my God!
All right.
Lexi,
It's okay.
no.
It's okay. Let's see what Lexi will come.
Oh no!
Okay, Lexi will follow you back in. Get in here.
Go on, Lexi.
Good girl.
Go on, Lexi.
Good girl.
Go.
What is it?
Play button.
Wait, what?
Play
From
button.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Get out. Huh? Let's see.
Okay, Lexi just ran out of the door. Of course she did.
And you saved her.
Yeah.
All right, well, sit down.
Okay, can we open
Let's-
it? Got it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
You're excited too? This is for you too.
Yeah.
This is for you and you.
This is gonna be in my
You
room.
and
Is
you.
this gonna be in my room?
You and you. Oh, okay.
Is this gonna be in my room? And for my room.
We'll discuss where it will be hanging.
My room. It's for my room. How do you open this? How do you take the tape off, right? Take the tape off, right? Yay!
There you go. Try that tab right
Somebody was here. Oh, there we go. A carpet. It's so
there.
bumpy.
Holy cow.
Daddy, the carpet's so bumpy.
Holy cow.
Daddy, what? So
And what does it say?
We're passing 100,000 subscribers.
And who does it say to? So what is this?
Thanks to WyczKidz.
Presented to
WyczKidz.
WyczKidz.
On YouTube.
Holy cow.
Gonna take it out?
You want to take it out?
Yeah.
Is it heavy?
Oh, that's not heavy at all. That's not heavy at all, though.
Look at that, Violet. Holy cow, careful. It's
Oh.
glass.
Is that really good?
Yeah.
I'll keep this in my room.
And you're excited about the foam piece. You like that?
Yeah. Ah. Ooh. Cut it.
You want to cut it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Um,
Whoa, whoa,
Oh,
whoa.
it's shiny.
Holy cow. Show it to everybody. Oh, wow, it's a mirror. I don't want you to see me. Yeah. It's all you guys. Look at that. How cool is that? Hey, buddy. High five. Violet. High five. You earned that foam piece right there.
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah. And I earned
Give it a hug.
And I
There you
earned this. And I earned this.
And you earned that.
Yeah, I hug it.
That is so cool. Well, what do you want to say to all your subscribers that are watching you on YouTube right now?
Thank you. Thank you.
Say thank you for subscribing.
Thank you for subscribing.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera, buddy.
Okay.
And say keep on watching. Keep on watching.
Keep on watching.
And keep on liking.
Keep on liking.
And keep on subscribing.
Keep on subscribing.
And maybe when we reach 1 million
We
subscribers,
get the diamond.
we'll get more foam pieces. Well, purple foam?
Yeah,
Awesome.
pink and purple.
Pink and purple foam?
Yeah.
That is so cool.
You get the black.
Roman, congratulations. Enjoy this moment. We are going to hang it proudly. You are a YouTuber, buddy. How about that? That's pretty cool, huh? Violet, enjoy your foam piece. We will hang it in your room,
Yeah.
and you could cut it to whatever shape you want.
What is this?
And you are awesome. Is Violet awesome?
Yeah. I'm pretty.
You're okay. You're pretty.
Is
Roman awesome?
Yeah.
Give each other a hug.
Okay. What is this? What is this?
A real hug.
Okay. It doesn't knock me down. Okay.
All right. Good job, guys. Say bye-bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.